Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a beautiful story about Sunnydev. Well, this is this I have read from Skanda Purana, and there is a saying that you have any Sannidasa problem, then you must pray to Lord Hanuman. And uh, Sunny is one of the 9 planets, and he is very powerful. So let me tell you the story of Sunnydev. You know, Lord Suryadev, he was married to Sangya, the daughter of Daksha Prajapati. Now, they both are very happy, and Suryadev knew that Sangya was very loyal to him. Now, but Sangya was very much upset because of his glare, his radiance. So, once she thought that she should go away from him and do hard penances by which either she would increase her brilliance or she would diminish the glare of Lord Suryadev. Thus she didn't say anything to anyone, she created her chaya, shadow, and exactly identically same, and named her Suvarna. Then she told her, Ki, oh Chaya, take care of my 3 children. By that time she had, Suryadev and Sangya were blessed with 3 children. One was Bhavasata Manu, Yamadev, and Yamuna. So Sangya told to Chaya, ki take care of my children and do not say this word, this secret to anyone that I have created you. Don't say to anyone. And any time you are in trouble, just call me. I will come running to you. Thus she said and went back to her father's house to do the hard penances. Thus Sagya reached at her father's house. When Sagya told everything to her father, his father got very angry. He said, Ki without being called, a daughter should not come to her parents' house, and if she does that, then the daughter and her father, uh, parents, both will be were cursed. That is why you should not come. Anyways, and go immediately he said, Ki go back to your husband. Because Sangya told him that she didn't inform to her husband also. So now Sangya thought that what she should do, because she had already created Chaya, and if she would go there, what Chaya would do? By that time, Chaya was also blessed with 3 children, Manu, Sanidev, and Tapti. Now Sangya didn't go there, and she went to jungle. But she was very much afraid of her safety, because she was beautiful and because of her youthfulness. So she turned herself into a female horse. Now there she started hard penances. Like as I told you, when she did all these things, by that time Chaya was also blessed with 3 children, Manu, Sanidev, and Tapti. This is one story about Sanidev. The other one is that other one says that um, because of the severe yajna, great yajna of Kashyapa Rishi, Sanidev was born. Anyways, when Sanidev was in his mother's womb, means Chaya's womb, that time Chaya was also worshipping Lord Shiva. And she was a great devotee. She started doing hard penances, and when she was doing her prayer, she didn't care for her food, neither any shade. Means she was sitting under the blazing sun. And thus, when Sanidev was born, the way she prayed to Lord Shiva, that power had come to her womb, that fell upon Sanidev. So Sanidev also became from his very birth. When he was born, by that time only he became very powerful because of his mother's hard penances and devotion to Lord Shiva. Now, Sanidev, as Chaya was sitting under the blazing sun, Sanidev became dark in color. When Suryadev saw Sanidev, he started doubting uh, his wife Chaya, because he knew that she was Sagya only. He didn't know that she was the shadow of Sagya. Anyways, he started doubting her that this child is not mine. Now, not only that, he also said some bad, behaved roughly to Chaya and Sanidev too. But Sanidev knew everything by the yogic power, so he became very angry and he looked at Suryadev with very rude. He gave a very rude look to gaze to Suryadev. As he looked at him very rudely, immediately the chariot of Suryadev had stopped. The horses stuck there, they couldn't move. And not only that, Suryadev also became dark. Now Suryadev worshipped to Lord Shiva and asked the reason behind it. Then Lord Shiva came to him and he explained that because of his misbehavior towards Sanidev's mother Chaya and to Sanidev also, this had happened because Sanidev looked at Suryadev with rude gaze. That is the result of his stopping of his chariot and his dark complexion. So then Suryadev understood his mistake, and also Lord Shiva explained him everything about Chaya and Sagya also. However, Suryadev understood his mistake and he apologized both to Chaya and Sanidev. And after that, immediately he got back his glorious face, and his chariot also got back his shining lustre with the horses. They also worked. They worked properly. Now, this much is about Sanidev. Means Sanidev was so powerful only because of the hard penances of his mother that even if he will give a rude look, then you know what will happen to you. This much is the story about Sanidev, and once again I will meet you with another new story whenever I will get it. Thank you so much.